Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the fingerprint sensor on your Honor 600 Pro isn't recognizing your fingerprint. Now before we try to fix this, I just want to briefly mention that the most common reason for this issue is simply the third-party glass, protective glass, or basically screen protectors that simply are incompatible with the device's fingerprint sensor. Therefore, if these methods will not work for you, I recommend simply replacing the screen protection with the original screen protector from Honor. Okay, so basically what we have to do is remove the fingerprint protection and reset it up once again. So let's go to settings, let's go to biometrics and password, select fingerprint ID, enter your current pattern or password, and then remove all the previously enrolled fingerprints. Select your fingerprint and tap delete, then confirm, and then select new fingerprint. But before you do that, grab a piece of a microfiber cloth, or if you don't have it around, use either your cotton t-shirt or a paper towel to wipe the surface of your device's display carefully so there are no stains left on it. Then select new fingerprint. And now you're gonna have to tap add, click OK, and then start pushing your fingerprint onto the fingerprint icon on your screen until you fill the entire pattern, and try using as much of your fingertip as you can. Add the edges of your fingertip and then tap OK. Now to ensure everything works correctly, let's go back to settings and let's make sure that the software of this device is updated. To do that, we're gonna have to go to System and Updates menu, select Software Update, and then check for updates. And if you have any updates to install, then download and install them, as they might include some security updates as well. And after that, to make sure that the changes are applied, let's press power button and volume up key at the same time, then select restart and let your device reboot. Once your device is restarted, let's enter the pattern, and after that we can lock our smartphone and try to unlock it using the fingertip. And for me, as you can see, everything works correctly, and I hope that this method helps you too. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.